After this video, you'll know the 3 secrets to create techno bangers like Eli Brown and Space 92, consisting of melodic saw leads, a rolling rumble, and these crispy vocals. Let's straight dive into it. Let's start off with the most iconic part, the melodic lead. Most of the time it's just some sort of saw lead, so we're gonna start off in the preset. And first write a melody with it. Starting off on the root notes. These melodies are quite rhythmic, so just use the root and the dissonant notes. And normally these melodies come out really quick, because you just have to follow the rhythm. For example, it just makes sense to have it this way. And make a little variation at the end, going up to the third note of the scale. And just find a sweet spot. I think I want to go down to the 7th. So up to the 3rd, back to the root. Almost there, I think this will be it. This will be it. Yeah, that's it. Perfect, so duplicate it. So we have an 8-bar loop. Now we're gonna pick a preset, open up our new bunker sample pack, and see if we can find a lead that will fit. But let's continue looking. Yeah, let's use this one. It's a bit too high, so keep it like this. Then we're just simply gonna mix it by removing the low end and adding a sidechain. It's a bit too thin right now, so I want to layer it. Just duplicate the serum and lower down the volume. Yeah, this will work perfect. Just a few octaves below the original lead, so there's enough space for both of the leads to play. Then just arrange it to make it a bit more interesting. After 8 bars, I want to drop them an octave. Just like this. So this will be a drop melody. Now we're gonna dive to the low end. Most of the time, artists as Eli Brown uses a rolling rumble bass in our techno productions. So our bass gonna consist of 3 layers: the rumble, an offbeat bass, and a rolling bass on top. First, drop in a kick and make a rumble out of it. So just loop it. Run it to a mixer channel. Then we're gonna dock a mixer channel to the right. Run a kick to it and add a reverb to it. I think I'm gonna make it mono. And just tweak the length. Then sidechain it to make room for the kick drum. Yeah, just like this. Then some EQing rolling off the high ends, around 3K. Slacking some low end as well. Little trick I'm using is boosting it in key. So we are working in A minor. It's 41 Hz. Then open up an R bass. Put it at 41. And boost it. Like this. This way we'll get a way more tonal rumble bass. And then of course hit it with some compression. So that's our rumble bass. Now we're gonna layer it with an offbeat bass. So pick another bass from the bunker pack and go for an offbeat bass like this. And then drop it in on the root notes. Like this. Just remove the low ends. Like this. Then it's time for the rolling bass. So again, new preset, and pick a really short one. I will link some deconstructions of the presets down below. So let's go for this one. It's a really short rolling bass. Again at the root note. Playing at a 1/16 rhythm, but then just a little shorter notes. Like this. Arrange it. Sounds really weird right now, but we're gonna mix it. First, get rid of the low end. And sidechain it. So altogether, our low end sounds like this. We got a dope foundation right now, but of course we need to spice it up with some more elements. So we're gonna add in a screech and a step sound. Again, new serum. Pick a screech from the pack. Let's go for this simple one. This one works almost all the time in every track, so that's why it's called money. And just make a really simple rhythm like this. Then we're gonna mix it. First open it up some more with OTT. You can hear there's a little bass bulb in there as well. So just remove it. And of course sidechain it to make room for the kick. Then just duplicate it by Alt-C and add an acid step to it. Yeah, actually the first one is already perfect, so layer it like this. And see how it sounds. Yeah, it's solid. Then it's time to add some more drums to it as well. Let's go for this crunch kind of loop. Yeah, that's solid. It's too loud, so lower it down. Really like the rhythmic element there. And of course we need a downlifter at the start of the drop, so go to that fix. Yeah, this one works perfectly. So just lower it down. Yeah, that's perfect. And arrange it then like this. So that's it for the drop. What we got so far sounds like this.
When you push.
So now we're gonna continue with a breakdown. First we need that typical techno vocal, so head over to the vocal section of the pack.
The drugs, the love, the night, the energy. The drugs, the love, then relax to the beat. When you push.
Let's go for this one. Actually all of the vocals could work.
When you push.
So let's start it right here.
Good.
And then build it up at this section.
When you push.
So the vocal sounds like this.
I feel good.
And then just cut it up.
Push.
Like this. Then loop it faster right here.
Push.
And then shorten it as a sort of pre-drop fill, just like this. So that's the foundation of the breakdown. Now I quickly gonna search for some other effects or some snare builds, which will take a lot of time and it's not that interesting, so I will just skip that part. So I quickly made a build up with other elements from the drop, with the lead coming back in, the running bass, first the vocal we cut it up, bringing back the kick on a separate channel so we don't have the rumble playing, some more heads, this snare roll, the build up loop cut up from the pack, together with the uplifter, and fade in the drums. I also created this vocal ambience to fit it up some more, so because it fills it up so much more, I also added it to the drop.
I feel good.
Together with this small vocal chop in the back. And then bringing back the vocal in, just like this. Just a way to get creative with it, because it's a really minimal production with only the bass and the lead sounds. So yeah, this fills it up way more. So that's how you make an Eli Brown style track. I think it turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about this in the comments. Besides that, if you liked the video, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button. And all together, it sounds like this.